Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to lower the ping on the Xbox Series S. So this is for people who are having really high ping, like we're talking 100 plus ping, or they have unstable ping. So they have low ping and all of a sudden it will spike up, then spike back down. If you're in that situation, this video is for you. I will also cover little tips to fix like, medium high ping, like 50, 60, 70 ping. However, keep in mind that really, for the most part, if you're in a situation like that, there's not much you can do. So if you're having that unstable ping, but it'll be low and then all of a sudden spike up, the reason why is because your network is congested. What does that mean? Well, you have other people using the network at the same time as you, and because of that, what this means is there is a certain amount of bandwidth that can be sent and received on your network, and so what it will do is it will prioritize one device, then prioritize the other device, and that's why you have the low ping initially when your device is prioritized, and then when the other person is streaming, it will prioritize their device instead. So what can you actually do to solve this issue? Well, if you have any devices which are connected to the same Wi-Fi network which you own, turn those devices, well, not turn them off, but just turn it off of the Wi-Fi network. That's very important. Even if you are connected to Ethernet, the fact that you have a Wi-Fi network, it's going to still share all the network speed. Just turn the Wi-Fi off of those devices. Now, if you have other people streaming Netflix or watching YouTube, stuff like that, I mean, you could ask them to just stop doing that, but let's just keep it real here. Really have some family members that really couldn't care about your gaming experience. Therefore, what you're going to do instead is you're just going to have to suck it up, and the best way to suck it up is by using your own hotspot. So here's the deal, right? All these people using the Wi-Fi network, that sucks. Well, how many people are going to be using your hotspot? Only you, unless someone else outside is like hacking under. So what you're going to do, set up the hotspot on your phone, then go to settings, and then go to general, network settings, set up wireless network, and then you just want to connect to your hotspot. Now, depending on your internet speeds of your hotspot, you may have, great experience, bad experience. You just want to find the best place in your house with the best signal, which is somewhat close to your Xbox Series S, and then set that one up, and then you'll have a far better gaming experience. Now, another thing you can do as well, you might as well just try, is just use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. So the thing is, when it comes to Wi-Fi, it's sending the data over the air, and over the air travels slower than over a physical cable. So if you're using Ethernet, that will lower the ping, but it will only lower the ping if you're like really far away from the Wi-Fi network. And that's the reason why I said you can't really, for the most part, fix like if you're on a medium ping like 60, 70, 80, because usually it's just how the Wi-Fi network is for the most part. So really, that's everything you can do. Hopefully this video did help someone out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. If you have any other tips, do let me know in the comments. Well, let other people know, I guess, what you got working, what you didn't get working. Because at the end of the day, this video is meant to help people out. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.